Cash Giraffe Daily Bonus usually disappears when the app fails to sync your 24-hour activity streak, or when background tracking gets interrupted before the bonus refresh cycle completes. That's why the bonus can look missing even when you've been using the app normally. By the end, you'll know exactly why the daily bonus disappears, and how to fix it so it shows up and tracks correctly again. First thing to check is whether your streak actually reset. The daily bonus is tied to continuous activity windows, not just opening the app. If you changed devices, logged out, or didn't open the app within the expected time window, the streak can silently reset. Open Cash Giraffe, stay on the home screen for a minute, and check if the bonus reappears after a refresh cycle. Next is server sync delay. Cash Giraffe doesn't always update bonuses instantly. The system often processes daily rewards in batches, so the bonus can be missing temporarily, even when it's already recorded. Close the app completely, reopen it, and stay on the main screen without switching apps for a short period, so it can pull fresh reward data. Another common issue is background restriction. If your phone blocks background activity, Cash Giraffe may fail to register your daily activity window properly. Go into your phone settings, find app permissions and battery settings, and allow unrestricted background usage for Cash Giraffe. This helps the app track your session consistently. Network switching can also cause the bonus to not appear. If you were on Wi-Fi and switched to mobile data during active use, the tracking session can break. Use a single stable connection for consistent reward tracking and reopen the app afterward to force a resync. Cache corruption is another cause. Temporary files can store outdated reward states, making the bonus disappear from the interface. Go into App Settings, clear cache, and relaunch Cash Giraffe. This refreshes the UI without affecting your account. If the daily bonus still doesn't show, check for app updates. Older versions sometimes fail to display new reward cycles correctly after backend changes. Updating the app ensures your client matches the current reward system logic. In rare cases, the bonus system itself may be undergoing maintenance. During those periods, rewards can temporarily stop displaying, even though tracking continues in the background. Waiting a short period and checking again usually resolves it. To summarize, missing daily bonuses usually come from streak resets, sync delays, or blocked background tracking. Fix those in order and the bonus normally returns without any account issues. The next step is simple. Always reopen the app after 24 hours of inactivity, before assuming the bonus is gone. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Cash Giraffe fixes and reward app troubleshooting guides.